Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You're ready to begin. Log into Eventbrite and click Create Event to open the draft. This gets your event ID and saves progress automatically. First, name the event and choose the organizer so attendees see who's hosting. Next, set the date, start and end times, and confirm the time zone. These control ticket availability and calendar exports. Make sure to choose event type, online, in person, or hybrid, because venue and location fields change accordingly, and that's important for visibility and search. Once your draft exists, create tickets. Choose free, paid, or donation and set price, quantity limits, and sales windows so you control access and revenue. Then craft the event description, lead with the what, who, when, and why, and upload a high-quality image sized for Eventbrite to improve conversions. After that, enter venue details or online link, specify capacity and access restrictions, and add co-organizers or staff with permissions. These steps ensure registrations work smoothly, and your event page looks now finalized by reviewing payment setup, ticket fees, and refund policy so attendees understand charges. Connect Stripe or Eventbrite payments to receive funds. Preview the event page and run a test registration to confirm ticketing, emails, and calendar invites work. When satisfied, set visibility to public or private and hit publish. If something goes wrong, check payment account verification, ensure event time zone matches your listings, and verify links. Often a quick setting fix resolves most issues and resumes normal.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.